Hello, I'm Jeff Wilson, founder and CEO of Pereview. In our previous videos, we've talked about the importance of centralizing all of your data, and secondly, the importance of standardizing all your data. Today, we're focusing on one of the biggest challenges we all face in this industry. How do we effectively use Excel without getting stuck in what we call Excel hell? Let's get one thing straight. We don't think Excel itself is the problem. It's one of the most powerful and widely used modeling tools in the world. It's flexible, it's familiar, and pretty much everyone in our industry depends on it. The problem really starts when Excel is forced to be something that it was never designed to be, which is a reporting platform or a database. And so for years, real estate investment teams have had no other choice. There wasn't a centralized platform to store and access all their data. And so what'd they do? Well, they built really complicated Excel models that were also connected to other really complicated Excel models that stored things like accounting data, underwriting assumptions, business plan cash flows, debt information, projected dispositions, returns, and much, much more. And over time, these models get bigger, they become more complex and more fragile, oftentimes linking to dozens, sometimes hundreds of other Excel files spread across your SharePoint sites or internal servers. In one misplaced file or one broken formula, and boom, all of a sudden, your entire Excel ecosystem is riddled with pound ref errors and everything comes to a halt. That's what we call Excel hell, where every report is manual, everything is error prone and time consuming, and it makes you feel like there's no way out. And so we asked ourselves, is there a way to keep using Excel for what it's best at, a modeling tool, while eliminating its weaknesses as a reporting and data management tool? In other words, can you have your cake and eat it too? At Pereview, we think the answer is yes. With Pereview, you can connect your existing Excel models directly to our secure cloud-based Pereview database. Quickly, here's how it works. One, you use your existing model, and we have effectively installed an Excel plugin that allows you to pull down into your model the most reliable data with a single click of the mouse. Data like inception data counting actuals, rent roll information, original underwriting details, and more. Then you just work in Excel like you always do. Build out your projected cash flows, analyze numbers, update assumptions, make whatever adjustments are needed, and then with the push of a button, push those results back into the Pereview database, and you're done. It's that simple. No more pound ref errors, no more broken links to other Excel files, no more dealing with outdated versions of models or having to scramble to update everything because you forgot there were a few prior period adjustments in the accounting data you loaded. No more manual data entry, and most importantly, no more Excel hell. That means less time fixing spreadsheets and more time focusing on what really matters, maximizing the value of your investments. We'd love to show you how Pereview can solve the Excel hell problem for you. Just visit our website at pereviewsoftware.com to learn more and schedule a demo. Thanks for watching.